Welcome to Financify. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to increase your Remitly sending limit using the mobile app. Make sure to watch until the end to ensure you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. First, launch the Remitly app on your mobile device. Once logged in, tap on the profile icon or My Remitly icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open your account settings. Scroll down and find Limits and Verification or Increase Limits and tap on it. You will see your current sending limits and verification status. You will see three different options to increase your limit. Remitly will guide you through a series of verification steps. This may include providing additional documentation such as passport or governmental issued ID, proof of income, pay stubs, bank statements, etc. Once you set your desired limit, take a clear photo of your documents and upload them as prompted. Double check the images to ensure they are legible before submitting. After submission, Remitly will review your documents. This process typically takes 24 to 48 hours. You will receive a notification once your limit has been updated, and that's it. You have successfully submitted your request to increase your Remitly sending limit. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.